Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. I am at our Bhandarkar Road store in Pune and I have this beautiful paitani that we've draped on a mannequin. We try to showcase as much variety as possible when it comes to our mannequin display. We have beautiful handloom paitanis here at Pratha. Because Pratha is a Marathi brand, we have to have immense variety in handloom paitanis, and here we are with this absolutely beautiful yellow colored zari lines paitani. I want to show you all. This is a pure handloom Yeola paitani. It is there is no machine, no motor used while making this sari. It takes longer. Yes, it definitely takes longer for making pure handloom saris, but then the beauty when you actually handle them, when you wear them, is something else. So this is a beautiful single munia border. The color of the zari is also slightly warmer than usual. The base color is this beautiful cantaloupe or muskmelon yellow. It's a very fresh shade. म्हटलं तर पेस्टल आणि म्हटलं तर अगदी ट्रेडिशनल अशी ही शेड आहे. असा हा कलर आहे येलो. तुम्हाला ह्याच्याबरोबर छान गोल्ड ज्वेलरी तर घालता येईलच. दिस कलर इज सच दॅट इट विल लुक ब्युटिफुल इन द इव्हनिंग, ड्युरिंग डे. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रेस इट अप traditionally, you can choose to wear nice traditional jewelry with it. If you want to style it like a pastel sari, then you can choose to wear diamond jewelry or kundan jewelry with it and wear a pastel colored blouse and it will look very pretty. We have styled it with a very pretty brocade blouse. Ha Prathacha's blouse ahe. This is from our ready-made blouse collection. It's a very beautiful set of colors in that brocade, and it looks gorgeous with this particular sari. So this is how we have styled it, and I want to show you all the pallu. This is the gorgeous pure handloom pallu design with beautiful parrots, impeccable craftsmanship. If you see the back side, there are no threads. This is pure handloom, very pretty. And because of zari lines, what happens is this close weaving of zari lines gives an effect of the sari being a tissue sari. However, it is very easy to maintain. If it is a tissue sari, it might crack at the folds when you keep it over the years, when you keep it folded. But this particular sari, because it is in silk and it has zari lines in it, it's not a tissue. It gives that effect of tissue, but it's very easy to maintain. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. We'll be showing you different saris that we display at our mannequins here. If you've not visited Pratha's Pune store, please plan your visit today itself. We have a gorgeous collection of festive handloom saris like Paithani, Banarsi, Gadhwal, Kanjivaram, Irkals, Ikkats, and we also have beautiful office wear, casual wear handloom saris like tussars, raw silks, Bengal tussars, silk cottons from south, silk cotton ikats. So please make sure you plan your visit at the earliest. If you've not visited Pratha store, if you are not in Pune, you can just go to our website and check out our collection on www.prathasarees.com. And we have recently launched a store in Thane last October. So make sure if you are anywhere in Mumbai or around Thane, make sure you visit our Thane store as well. Thank you. Keep watching.